All right guys, so if we see we've got the red and the black there, if I press this and lay this down here, okay, and I'm gonna take my cover sheet and I'm gonna place my cover sheet over the top, make sure that I'm not lock that down. Now, we're gonna give this a full good 10 seconds because we've got our cover sheet as well. There we go. Pop up, take that away. Now, we're gonna give that a little bit of air, make sure it's cooled down. Our sports numbers aren't an instant peel, they're just a hot peel, just like that. And see, if you have a look at how vibrant and white that is, and you can't see any red or black lines coming through, no discoloration whatsoever. That is only achievable using our carbon-based sublimation blocker on our UltraColour PRO range of transfers.